Alrighty, so we're at our final step here, step 7 of updating our Angular service to call the new URL on the Spring Boot app. So let's swing into Visual Studio Code. Let's move to the product service. Expand my window here. So just as a checkpoint, we're in the product service. And I had a little reminder here, a little to-do statement saying, hey, come back and do this work. So I'll remove all my little cute comments here for that. And I will remove the little to-do because we're actually doing it now. All right, so I need to build the URL based on the category ID. So remember that Spring Data REST automatically exposes the endpoint search find by category ID equals, so I can use that as my search URL. So I'll make use of the base URL for this REST API, and I'll simply add on the /search and so on. So I'll have this.base URL and then /search /find by category ID. And then I have ID equals, and then I'll simply use the parameter that's passed into this method, the category ID. And that's it. So that's our search URL. So now I need to update line 21 here. So instead of using base URL, I need to make use of search URL. And that's pretty much it. So we've made the appropriate updates here for our product service to call the appropriate REST endpoint that was set up by Spring Data REST. Good job. So now let's go ahead and run this application, open up our new terminal window. Make sure we move into our appropriate directory here and simply do an ng-serve. Let me just swing back over to my browser. Visit my Angular app running on port 4200. Alrighty, so our app is up and running, so we can test some of the menu links over on the left-hand side. And success. So we're able to display books and coffee mugs. This is great. So we're only displaying products for that given category ID. Okay, this looks really good. I'm happy with this. This works as desired. Good job.